Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make public profile on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Snapchat app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Here you can see there is a Bitmoji on the top left corner. Tap on it. Now on the top right corner you can see a settings button. Tap on it. Now when you scroll down a little bit, there is a privacy control. To make your profile public on Snapchat, you have to change this contact me to everyone, and then change this view my story to everyone. Again, going back, then this see my location to my friends and turn off this ghost mode. Then use my Bitmoji avatar to friends. So now that you have changed all the settings to everyone, now when you post a story, more people than your friends will see your stories and your location will be visible to others, and the notifications sent from other people will be sent to you. So this is how you change your private profile on Snapchat to the public file. And that is all for today. That is how you make public profile on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.